Hi, this is a walkthrough video of the task tracker with calendar spreadsheet. Please note that the colors, designs, and fonts may change as we update and improve our templates, but the core functionality of this spreadsheet will remain the same. The purpose of this tracker is to help you efficiently track all of your tasks, deadlines, and priorities while integrating them into a calendar view for better planning and organization. This spreadsheet has 3 tabs: Task Tracker, Calendar, and the Customize Your Tracker tab. First thing you're going to do, you're going to go to your Setup tab or your Customize Your Task Tracker tab. This tab lets you personalize your tracker to fit your needs. Here you can edit the task owners. You can add or remove names of the team members or individuals responsible for the tasks. Here you can adjust the wording or the emojis used for priority levels. Here you can enter your task statuses. If you prefer a different status label, you can customize them here. Next, we're going to go to the Task Tracker tab. And this is where you're going to log and manage all of your tasks. Over here, you just have a motivational quote and you can delete this or add your own. This part here, it's going to show today's date. Automatically, you don't have to change anything. When you come back to this spreadsheet tomorrow, this will show Friday, February 14th. Here, you're going to enter all of your tasks, and each task can be assigned an owner, a priority level, due date, and a status. And then there's a space for notes over here. These drop downs, they will be fitting from this setup tab over here. So if you change the wording on your task statuses, for example, then they're going to be updated over here. Same thing for the priority levels. For the due date, you double click and our calendar is going to open. You can just pick your date and then it will be showing over here. On the days left column, this is automatic, so there's formulas in here. But for example, this task is due today, so it's going to be here. If this is past due, it's going to show overdue. If the task has been completed, which is when you select done from the task status, then this is going to show this dash over here. For this to work, if you do want to change the wording for your task status over here, just make sure that the done is always the done or completed. Whatever word you need to do, it's when your task is completed. So just make sure you enter that over here because this is what the formula for the overdue date is going to be pulling from. And last but not least, we have the Calendars tab. This tab will just help you visualize your tasks in a calendar format for easy planning. Here you can select your week start. You can start your week from Monday or Sunday. This is dynamic. Whenever you change over here, it's going to change where the calendar is starting from. Here you can select which tasks you want to show. If you want to show only your open tasks, you're going to select over here. If you want to show all of your done tasks, select the done, all of your late tasks, in progress. And then if you want to see all, you can just select over here and it will show all of your tasks. And then here you can select the year. If you change this for year of 2026, for example, your calendar will dynamically update to display 2026. Every single year this is going to change. Here, for example, 2029, you can see January 1st, 2029 is a Monday. And when you go to the calendar, you can see here that January 1st, 2029 is in fact a Monday. You can use this task tracker year after year after year. If by any chance you run out of years over here, then you can select this edit button and then just add 31 over here. And then click done. This calendar will be updated automatically. And here you can see this yellow today. Whenever today's date is, it's going to be highlighted in yellow. You can see here that it's February 2025 and today the 13th is highlighted in yellow. If it's you come back tomorrow, the yellow highlight will be on the 14th. And then here you can see we have one task for today. If you had multiple tasks due today, then you will see that they are showing up over here. Now, keep in mind that this calendar will show up to 5 tasks. If you do have 6 or more, you're going to have to mark one of the first 5 complete before you can see the other ones in the calendar. And that is it for the task tracker with calendar spreadsheet. Now you have everything you need to track, organize, and manage your tasks efficiently. Happy planning!